Hello and welcome to today's episode on English with Altaf. I'm Annie, and in this video, we are going to talk about a very important habit for improving your English speaking it every single day, even when it feels difficult.
Hi everyone, I'm Altaf. Today we're sharing how speaking English daily, especially when it's uncomfortable or hard, can truly improve your confidence and fluency. We'll give you tips, personal experiences, and encouragement to keep going no matter what.
Altaf, you know, when I first started learning English, I was so nervous to speak. I used to think people would laugh at my mistakes. Sometimes I would just stay silent. But then I realized something very important. If I don't speak, how will I ever improve?
Exactly, Annie. Most learners wait until they feel perfect, but that moment never really comes. I tell my students all the time, speak now, make mistakes now, and you will grow faster than you think. Waiting for the right moment only slows you down.
Yes, I started small. I used to talk to myself in English when I was brushing my teeth or walking to the market. I would say things like, "Today is a sunny day," or "I need to buy vegetables." It felt strange at first, but slowly my mouth got used to English words.
That's such a good tip. Many people forget that speaking doesn't always mean talking to another person. You can talk to yourself or even describe what you're doing throughout the day in English, like, I am opening the door or I'm making tea. These simple sentences build your fluency.
And it's not just about practice. Speaking every day helps you overcome fear. I remember one day I had to ask for help at a train station. I was so scared, but I forced myself to speak English. The person understood me, and that one moment gave me so much confidence.
That's powerful. Confidence comes from action, not just from studying. Reading and writing are helpful, but speaking is what makes you truly fluent. And let's be honest, it will be uncomfortable at first. You will forget words. You will make mistakes. But that's part of the journey.
I agree. There's a saying I love: mistakes are proof that you are trying. I made so many errors in the beginning. I used the wrong tenses, I mispronounced words, but each mistake was like a teacher. Every time I messed up, I learned something new.
Absolutely. I always say to my viewers, don't be shy. Be proud that you're learning something new. English is not your first language, and that's okay. What matters is that you're trying. You're speaking, even if it's hard, especially when it's hard.
You know what helped me stay consistent? Making English a daily habit, like brushing my teeth. I didn't wait for motivation. I just told myself, today I will speak English, even for 5 minutes. And slowly, 5 minutes became 10, and 10 became 20.
That's how it works. Consistency is more powerful than perfection. Even if you speak just a little every day, it adds up. Think of it like water filling a glass drop by drop. One day the glass is full, and you realize, wow, I'm speaking English easily now.
Sometimes people say, but I don't have anyone to talk to. I understand. I didn't either, but I used online tools, watched English shows, repeated the dialogues, and recorded my voice to hear how I sounded. It's about being creative with your practice.
Yes, technology has made it easier than ever. Use voice notes, talk to your phone assistant, join online speaking groups, or just read aloud from a book. Don't wait for the perfect speaking partner. Be your own partner.
And don't worry about your accent. Your accent shows where you're from. It's a part of your identity. People may notice it, but most of the time they understand you. Communication is more important than sounding like a native speaker.
Right. Fluency doesn't mean speaking like an American or British person. It means expressing yourself clearly. If you can share your thoughts, ask questions, and hold a conversation, that is success.
I still make mistakes, even today, but now I laugh about them. English is not about being perfect, it's about being brave. Speaking every day helped me become more confident, not just in English, but in life too.
That's a great reminder, Annie. Speaking English every day, even when it's hard, makes you stronger. It improves your grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and your mindset. It teaches you to keep going, no matter what.
So if you're watching this and feeling shy, afraid, or thinking, I'm not good enough, remember this. Just start. Say one sentence. Then say two. Make it your habit. English will become easier with every word you speak.
Yes, start today. Start small, but start. Talk to yourself. Talk to your pet. Talk in the mirror. Just speak. Make English part of your daily life. And soon it won't feel hard anymore. It will feel natural.
Before we end today's video, let's quickly repeat what we've learned. Speaking English daily is the key to fluency. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be consistent.
We also learned that mistakes are part of learning and confidence grows with daily effort. Use your environment, your phone, your thoughts. Everything can help you practice.
And most importantly, we reminded you that even when it feels hard, speaking every day will help you improve. Don't give up. You are doing great.
Thank you for joining us today on English with Altaf. Keep speaking, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.